Welcome to Cory Turner Talks Cars, and today we're going to look at some really cool kit cars I found for sale. A Ferrari F355 and especially this one, a Hyundai X2. And you may be asking, what in the world is a Hyundai X2? Well, just wait, because oh, have I got a treat for you. Okay, so we talk about kit cars often. When I was younger, I didn't understand. Just buy the real thing. As I've gotten older and realized the prices of the real thing, the maintenance of the real things, and the scarcity a lot of the times of the real things. For example, the Lamborghini Countach, what was there, 1,700, 1,800 of those made. Not very many of those around, so if you want one, what are you going to do? Well, you could do a kit car. You're not trying to pretend it's the real thing. It's just an homage. It's respect to the real thing and a car that you can build and put together yourself. So that's why I love kit cars. So let's jump into here. This one first. We're going to look at the Ferrari, the F355. Let's see what they say about this one. Now, they're wanting $18,000 for this. It's a 1998 replica. Okay, let's read and see what it tells us. Selling my F355 replica built on a 1986 Fiero chassis. Rebuilt Fiero motor, has around 5,000 miles on the rebuild. Smooth shifting manual transmission, runs, drives, sounds great. Custom interior paint is in excellent shape, no rust, power windows. Windows go up and down, clean title in hand, and they've got some information. They have a link to a video, it looks like, as well, and some more pictures. I, of course, am going to put all the link in the description so you can kind of check those out. The Fiero, for one, the Fiero was a great car. I love the car. Maybe it was underpowered with the Iron Duke, of course, but it has made a great base car for these type of kits and these type of replicas. So I think they've done a great job on this. Just a little bit more here. It has about 1,300 miles, I guess, is what they're saying. Interior color is black. The year's 1998. Mileage is 1,300 miles. Who knows what that is, because it has 5,000 miles on the rebuild, so we won't look at that. Manual transmission, color is yellow. So anyway, there's that one. A good-looking Ferrari, so if you've been looking for one, hey, there's one right there. I'll put the link in the description. Now on to something, something crazy and zany and, oh my gosh, out there. This is a 2002 Hyundai X4. They want $7,995 for it. What is a Hyundai X4, you may ask? All right, we got a long description here, so let's read this, okay? The X4 was built by professional in Las Vegas in 2002. Power comes from a 1600 Hyundai motor and drivetrain, 5-speed, for power plus steering and gauges. The vehicle also has a matching trailer with a spare tire that is very nice. This vehicle was built very well. I've had the car to about 100 miles per hour, which woo, that sounds brave. Okay, but they've had it to 100 miles per hour. That's awesome, without any issues other than wind. It's very economical since it weighs little. With the fiberglass body, I've installed a Sirius XM radio. It's also equipped with AM, FM disc speakers and headphone jack. It has a custom cover, comes with the car. The car was entered in the Monticello, California 4th of July parade from 2013 to 2017 and won the funniest award each year. Everybody loves it. In the 6 years of ownership, the only repair I've had was to replace the slave clutch cylinder. It has very few miles on it, and best part is it comes with an SPC and designation from the state of California, which means no smog ever. You can drive this car anywhere and have tons of fun. They also have a video, so I'm going to put that in there. As you guys know, I love crazy, zany, weird, fun cars, and that is one. I love the twin-wheeled windshields on it. Okay, yeah, that is pretty darn cool. I like that. Now, what's crazy is, when I first saw it, I thought it was a 3-wheeler, but it has 4 wheels. So, not sure how that works out as far as registering and things like that, but it's got 4 wheels on there. But okay, very, very cool. So there it is. If you have been looking for your X2? Did I call it X4, X2? What is it? It's an X4. I think I called it an X2 earlier. Sorry about that. The X4, there it is. What a fun and crazy car. And yeah, I want it. Can't help it. Imagine just some homecoming parades with that, 4th of July parades. Super, super cool. Okay, have you found any crazy, zany, fun kit cars for sale online? If so, be sure to send me a message. You can do that at CoryTurnerTalks.com. You can leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel. We're growing every day, and that's thanks to you, and we're super appreciative. So leave me a comment, share us with your friends, and let's talk about cars tomorrow.